Hello everyone, I am Anurag Jaiswal. Today I am going to discuss with you about civil service exam which is conducted by UPSC. So let us see the exam pattern first. There are three stages in this exam. First stage is preliminary exam which is objective. Second is mains which is written exam. Third is interview which is your personality test. Let us see about pre-exam. There are two papers. First paper is GS. In current event, you have to see national and international news. For history, you have to read Asian and medieval history. For polity, you have to read fundamental rights, fundamental duties, DPSP, and preamble, and so on. For economy, you have to cover basic term of economics and various government scheme and change in government scheme. In science, you have to cover development in field of science. For geography, you have to see atlas. Now paper 2 in this. First is comprehension, second is logical reasoning, third is decision making, and fourth is mental ability. After qualifying pre, you have to appear in mains. There are total 9 papers. First paper is essay, second is GS1, third is GS2, 4 is GS3, 5 is GS4, and 6 and 7 is optional. You have choose one subject in which there will be two papers. There are two qualifying paper, English and one Indian language. Now we will see the essay first. There are two sections in question paper, section A and B. You have choose one essay from each section. The topic is related to current issue, environment and society, and many more. For preparation of your essay, you can see articles in newspaper and last year question paper. Now paper 2, that is GS1. In heritage, you have to cover monuments, various dance form, art, painting, and music. For history, you should read post-independence, and for the world history, you can read World War I and II and Cold War, etc. For geography, you should read map, and for society, you have read to diversity of Indian society and role of women in Indian society. Now paper 3, GS2. For polity, fundamental right, fundamental duty, DPSP, center-state relation, interstate relation, and basic structure. Governance, good or bad. Constitution, articles, schedules, amendments. For social justice, you can see NGO, self-help group, role of civil services in democracy. For IR, you have to see India relation with other country, especially with its neighbor. Now paper 4, GS3. Technology, you can see development in application in everyday life. For economic, you should cover macroeconomy. In diversity, you have to read diversity of plant and animal. For environment, various summit related to earth and climate. For security forces in India like NSG, CRPF, BSF, in disaster management, you have to know how to tackle the disaster. Now paper 5, GS4. In this paper, mostly question asks on case studies. And I already told you that other two paper of your optional subject and two qualifying paper. After qualifying mains, you have to go for interview. After qualifying interview, you will go to Lavasana where you will get IS training. So all the best. Thanks for watching, and in my next video I will discuss about paper 3 GS2 polity. So please like, share and subscribe my video and comment below. Thank you.